Hi, today we're painting 3 simple spring flower designs. You can make gift cards like I have, or I think they would look equally good if you painted them on a canvas. First, I'm blocking out the shape of my tulips using cadmium yellow deep. We can adjust and alter the shape as we go, so just get a rough idea at this point. For the stems, I'm using sap green with a little cadmium yellow deep. The paint is quite thin, as you can see. I've mixed a little Payne's grey with the yellow, and I'm just adding some delicate shadows. Don't worry if you paint the shadows a little too dark, you can simply come over the top with some yellow and soften them out. A liner brush really does make painting flowers a lot easier. I would definitely recommend investing in one if you can. For the highlights, I've used cadmium yellow and a little white. For my leaves, I'm using various shades of green by adding either Payne's grey or yellow and white to my sap green. There's a link in the description for a more detailed tutorial in real time if you'd like to see it. These forget-me-not flowers are so simple to do. I've mixed cobalt blue with a little phthalo blue and white, and I'm blocking out the general shape of the flower petals. I just love this colour blue. It reminds me of summer every time. I've mixed phthalo blue and sap green for the dark centre of the flower, and then just added a few dots of cadmium yellow in the middle. Again, if you'd like to see a full tutorial on how to paint these forget-me-nots, there is a link in the description. And now we have our gorgeous bright pink flower that's also so easy to do. My paint is very thin and I'm letting the brush do all of the work, just gently pressing down at the tip and then smoothly lifting the brush off the paper as we come towards the centre of the flower. I've added white to the next section of petals. It's also a nice idea if you don't fully mix the paint on the brush. This way you get a lovely streak of colour coming through the petals. Again, a liner brush is going to make it so much easier when you're adding these fine details. And of course, if you'd like to see a full tutorial on how to paint this pink flower, there's a link in the description for this one too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.